Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I took a 2-week hiatus. I am now back. I'm getting ready actually to take my flight to Nashville in a couple of hours, but I wanted to make sure I had this video and Monday's video ready for you guys. Sorry about the little break. I had laryngitis and I also needed a rest to just catch up and, really relax and rest because I'm always going. So now I'm back and I'm ready for a new tutorial. Today's video is strictly all about toning. So toning is so crucial when it comes to blonding or any color. But blonding, it's so important. Foiling and foil placement and all that is very important. That's building the house, as I always say. And then toning is actually painting and moving in. So Felicia's hair can be a little resistant. She never lifts past an 8.5, 9. She is around a level 6, so it's very weird, but some people are more stubborn than others. So I like to use the person's natural base. So for her, I'm going in and I'm going to be using Goldwell Colorance. And that formula will be 6N, 7N, 7NA. So she does have a little bit of a lighter 6. It's stubborn, but I still like to go and run with a natural level. So you can see here when I start rinsing her hair, all has been processed. We let her sit for an hour after I got done foiling because she is resistant. And as you see, we got a nice level 8 on the verge of 9. So she doesn't lift. That's why I tell people, even if you have a level 7 or 8, don't expect to get white in one day because your hair just might not pull well like other people's do. I've had clients who are like me, who's a level 5, and I get to a level 10 in one sitting with 20 volume where somebody else is a level 7 naturally, and they don't get past an 8.5, 9. So that's just how it works. Don't understand it. Everybody's different. Everything is weird. I'll tell you that. So now I'm going to give her a really good rinse. Every time I'm toning, I like to start out by really cleaning the hair and making sure all that product and bleach is rinsed out completely. You do not want to have any bleach left in the hair when you begin toning because it will eat through the toner. It's a no-no. So I am going to do a purple shampoo pre-toner, my no yellow purple shampoo, my vegan one, my favorite. If you want to check out any Fanola products, don't forget I am a Fanola babe. So I do have a discount code, Brett10. I've been with Fanola since the beginning of my career.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay if I make it home tonight.
Something I do when I'm toning, right before I begin to detangle, I always apply Olaplex number 2. If I don't have that, which I always do, I even will use, Fiber Fix Part 2 by Fanola, or even a regular conditioning mask like NutriCare by Fanola. I love adding something like that as a barrier, and they also get a treatment. It allows it to detangle easier, but also you have that blending agent. So once I detangle, she tangles so bad, it's not funny. She always has, it's just her hair. Once I detangle, I will literally slide down the middle of wherever they part and split the hair into 2, and then I will begin from the back, working my way up on each section and sectioning that hairline out. And I will work my way up with the shadow. We're doing a shadow, which is about 1 to 1.5 inches. A tap is usually 1 inch or less. And a smudge is 3 inches or more. I have different ways of doing this. I have tweaked it over the years. I had a video many years ago when I first started. But I do have a new video I'm working on that will go over my newer version of it and the new way I like to do things.
I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price.
Once I applied that shadow, I comb it through with my Samvia blending comb. Then I head over and make the global toner. That's the formula. I'm doing 8WG, 8GI, 9P, 9V, 9GB, and 9N. That's going to be the perfect formula for her, a little 8 with a little 9. And then once I mix that, I'll let it process on the root for about 5 to 10 minutes. Come back and then I will tap, 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 less than an inch around the hairline. This will keep it brighter. And something new I've been doing is tapping from the back forward and leaving the very, very front little piece out. I have found by doing this in trial and error the last few weeks that you have to be careful, make sure they lift really well in the money pieces, because if they don't lift to a perfect 9 or 10, it will look too brassy. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's tutorial. This came out beautiful. Look how beautiful those money pieces are and how the dimension and everything just flows beautifully together. I hope you learned something today. Leave video ideas yonder down below in the comment section. I'll be back from vacation on Monday and I'll be sure to put a video up by Monday night for you guys. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now. Mwah.